Hey fam, good morning. So I am ready and I'm off to lectures. So today I don't have a car. The car is at the shop. So how I go to school without a car, yeah. So yeah, this is me and my school bag. I'm heading towards a taxi station, then I pick a car to the school. So go with me. Good morning. Actually, I'm here. So, hello, how are you? So yeah, let's go in. It's not always that I go with a car. So I see your school girl, and I have a presentation too as well. So yeah, go with me. So fun, because we are having a presentation, we decided to put on school Lacoste. So that is what I am wearing. Because I'm using front camera, you cannot really see. It's School of Nursing, Wisconsin School of Nursing. So this is it. I have my foot in my bag. When I get there, I will change and wear. I don't want it to be dirty. I want to be blinking. So since I'm walking, I had to put on those sandals. Then when I get there, I change and wear my foot. Yeah. So go with me. Good morning. So far, I've gotten down from the car. I couldn't capture, so I'm walking towards the school. Yep. Yeah, so going to the class. So I'll show you when I get to the class. My good member that are going to be soon. Okay. It's locked. So fam. Yeah, the skills lab. Okay. I never knew. Oh, yeah, this is what I wanted. So yeah, my incoming SRC Presido, my course rep back of back. I've what I wanted, I've gotten. That is what you'll be, mommy. Thank you. So yeah, we are going to wait for the lecturer. When she comes, that we start. So this is what I wanted. We are doing stages of labor. So we needed a dilatation board, and this is one. It's easy in teaching. So yeah, I'll try and capture so you guys see how the presentation goes. Okay. So see you. You see how my SRC president is looking.
The mother, the pregnancy is very pregnancy. For you, for the foundation, you can't feel the pregnancy. But you just observe the abdomen and see whether they are then there is anything can be but if a pregnant woman from the mother, the abdomen.
So we ended up at the palpation. So she made one of the students do the palpation for her to see. So that when they start the
So from the presentation ended, it didn't get to my turn with that very one. So I went to get something else to eat and then be coming back for the other section. Okay, so doing 2 presentations today. So I am going in for the second presentation of which we are going to present on that one. Okay, so yeah.
So summarize so that we can take the other.
Okay,
Okay, so we are with 2 members and then at the end of this presentation, we seek to inform you for advantage of special home visits, disadvantage of special home visits, planning and preparation towards special home visits. So we say what special home visit is. Special home visit is a visit we make to our client's home, and it is known to you, the nurse, and the client, to a specific client. So on the day of special home visit, you know that you are going to a client who has, for example, maybe a cardiac condition. So you will prepare.
Maybe cardiovascular disease or whatever. So as I'm going, I am prepared for the client. It's just like focus antidote.
Exactly. But when you get there, so you pass in there.
It's the point that you break that you understand. You see, you say something that maybe you get there, the client is not ready. That one, they all cannot get in there wrong. Because it's a special home visit. Remember, it's special. And you have planned. You have planned with the client that you are coming there on this day at this time. No, wait, I'm coming. So before us, you have planned with the client that I'm coming on this day, this time. Definitely look on my opinion time, let their mouth. And that was the anxiety. It is time consuming. You have to have time with the client. But if you say, we're going to mind to get ready, I don't want to pass it. I'm not going to write it down.
Well done, well done. Maybe tiger nuts.
We all know for YouTube.
I'm going to own video in my circulating card.
But my other ones though. Yeah, so far this is going to be the end of the video. I am now coming from my lectures. As you can see, the face is tired, but still we move. So yeah, I'll see you again in another video. Yeah? Bye.